Hi guys, this is Cassandra and you're back to my channel. So, I had got a lot of packages I had bought. So I got ColourPop right here, Jeffree Star, Nigel's, and then Sephora's over here. So I'm going to go into the ColourPop. I already kind of opened it just because I had to. But this is the ColourPop one right here. And we are going to dig into the Golden State of Mind palette. When I had saw this, I was like, I really wanted this. The packaging is so nice. And then when you open it, look how nice this is. So we're going to do a couple swatches. So I'll probably go in right here. That looks really nice, guys. These are super smooth and creamy. And they just, like, look at that. Look at that color right there. That is really nice. And they're buttery. So that I can tell like they're gonna blend so nice and they're easy to apply and they're really pigmented. So those are just some of the swatches, and this is the Golden State of Mind palette right here. I would recommend this. I think if I was correct, it was around $30, maybe a little cheaper now. So we're just gonna clean that off. And then we're going to go into another palette that we had gotten. And it is Fortune. Look at that. That is super nice. Guys, this palette is beautiful. Okay, I did them the same, but look at how pretty that is. And I'll do like one matte shade. So this is one matte. But those are super pretty. So I would recommend this palette right here. Get one more look. I recommend this palette, and this is Fortune from ColourPop. So now we have, I'm gonna put that to the side over there. So now we have my Nigel's bag, and then with Nigel's, just because I'm a licensed cosmetologist, so I get a discount. So if you already have your license, go to Nigel's and sign up, because you will get about 40 to 10% depending on what products. So this is a soft glam. The packaging is so pretty. I love the velvet. I love it. And then this is the inside. It comes with a free brush. And then let's hop onto this. So we have bronze. That's pretty. Ooh, sultry. Really kind of the same, but more. This is pink tone. Fairy, and then I'm gonna go into this thing. I really like these two colors just because how dark they are. The story and the theme of it is really pretty. So you could definitely get a lot of looks out of this. Let's just put that right there. Okay, so I'm gonna get another wipey. Wipies are my best friend in this. Trust me, they're gonna be my best friend. I have also gotten these Cover Effects Cancer Drops. You can just put this on your face and it'll give it more like a nice glow, or you can put it before your foundation to give your skin glowy, or you can just use this as a highlighter. So either or to you. I cannot wait to try this, guys. My Anastasia dip brow right here, and then my pencil. They didn't have my color medium brown, so I had gotten chocolate. So I hope this works. Last from there, I had gotten the Anastasia Prism palette. So we're just going to open this up. Same thing as before. It's nice. It's a velvet. Feels amazing. I actually like the packaging. And look how pretty that is, guys. Look how pretty. Okay, so automatically when I see this palette, I am drawn to the yellow. So it's called Spear. That's a really pretty yellow. And I am drawn to the color Thorn. It's pretty. Dimension's pretty. This is a matte color called Lure. That's pretty. So that's just some of the colors that I'm drawn to automatically. I'm definitely gonna have to do a look on this soon. So this is the Anastasia Prism palette. And these are some of the swatches. The one I've been waiting for. Jeffree Star's Cosmetics. I love his highlighters. They're like my favorite. You guys have seen me show for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I finally got the box open. I think I cut myself a little bit, but... So this is the packaging. So cute! I think I might keep this one thing. So we have right here is... What do we have? What do we have? Wow, these are like really nicely packaged, so you can't... So make sure like nothing happens, like they won't get broken. So something will come like, here you go, take it. So this is a Skin Frost in Princess Cut. And guys, if you guys know me, I love, love, love his highlighters. Like those are the only ones I really use. So I got Princess Cut right here. Ooh, that's pretty. Sorry. So this is it. Look how nice that is. And then we're gonna get this like a nice little swatch. So that's it right there. Guys, I'm like really living for this. I'm like really adding this on. Okay, sorry. So this is super, super pretty. Now that we're done with that one, we're gonna go in with... Ooh, nice. It's a really pretty already. Guys, the way he... Look at this. So this is the Jeffree Star's Cosmetics in Love Me Not. Guys, this packaging is everything. Look at how beautiful this is. And it has doll parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood. Guys, look at those. Just, can we have a moment? Can we have a moment of how beautiful this is? Oh. Should we do swatches? I think we should. So I'm gonna swatch doll parts. Ooh. Okay, so like definitely, I am definitely gonna be wearing this color like every single day. So there we go, we have that one. This is a big Calabasas. Okay, I'm wearing that color every single day too. And then right here, we're going to have Wifey. Watermelon Soda. It's a really hot pink. We're gonna have Anna Nicole. You guys, and this brush feels so nice when it like glides on your skin. It's like, only imagine when it glides on your lips how nice it's going to be. We have Prom Night, which is like this pretty Barbie hot pink. I think of Barbie when I see this color. We have Red Rum, and then the last color will be... Oh, it's pretty, guys. Super pretty. And then the last color will be Unicorn Blood. It's Unicorn Blood. Oh my god, guys. Give that a moment. That is gorgeous. So those are the first two swatches I did. And these are the rest. And they dry down pretty fast. Yeah, mommy, they dry down fast, huh, baby? So those are it. Guys, His packaging is amazing. You get what you pay for, literally. And then, ooh, we got a cute little card. And it says this. Just a cute little card of him. Cute. So now that we have that done, we are going to try, we're going to try this Sephora one. And I got my trusty scissors that almost cut me earlier. Okay, so this box opened way quicker than the other one. So this is my Sephora box. Okay, to be honest, the packaging is not cute at all. Like, this was quick. I know, but the fact that I ordered so much stuff, I would think like they would have it nicely more packaged so things won't break. If you guys know what I mean? They literally were just like, that's that. So I kind of wish there was more like protection. So I got the Milk Blur Stick. I really, really like this as a primer. It's a really good primer. So we got that. We also got the Milk Makeup Blur Liquid. And this is in Golden Light. So hopefully I match myself good because I suck at matching foundation on myself. So this is Golden Light. And this is the Milk Makeup Foundation. I got some Cool Blonde shampoo, Cool Blonde conditioners. I guess they added this as a free thing, as a freebie. So that'd be cool to try once I go back to my blonde hair. We also got like this Cover FX Which Foundation Is You? Kind of like a little freebie thing, I guess. Probably like open the packet or something and you get like a little foundation test. So that's that. I had also got it's a Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. So it's just something really tiny. And this is a primer from Becca. I have also got the Stila Glitter on the Go. So it's Glitter Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Set. And it has 3 colors right here. And it's Rose Gold Retro, Kitten, Karma, and Smoldering Satan. So I'm really, really excited to try these on. Can't wait to try those. Also the Urban Decay Heavy Metal in Gamma Ray. So I want to open this for you guys. And this is a glitter eyeliner. So kind of swatch this real quick. And it's just like a little blue. This is probably nicer like on top of something, not just by itself. As you can clearly see. Since I'm swatching, I'll go back to those Stila's eyeshadows and we'll just swatch those 3 colors. It's actually probably better and cheaper to get the minis and the 3 bundle than by itself. If you want to save money. And that's really pretty. This is Rose Gold. We're going to have Kitten Karma. It's more like peach. The first one's more like, I guess, rose gold as it said. This is more peach. And then this is Smoldering Satan. And this is more like lilac. So those are the 3 right there. The Professional Pore Primer. And this is it. It's from the Rewards. So just kind of like a little freebie one. So that's the Professional Primer. It's like a little freebie we got. I also got the La Rogue Matte Givenchy. And this is like also like a little freebie lipstick. It's a little mini one. But it's really, really pretty. You guys could see that. And then I'll just swatch this. Guys, this goes on really nice. Let me show you guys that. That goes on super, super nice and just glide on. So that was nice to get too. It's like a little freebie. We also got an Urban Decay Heavy Metals, another one. This is in Pyro. If I can open this. This is Pyro. And this is another glitter eyeliner I got from Urban Decay Heavy Metals. So I'm really excited to play with that. Also, as like a little freebie thing, we also got the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And this is her foundation, which I'm actually kind of excited to try. It's so cute, the little mini one. It's adorable. So this is it, and you just kind of like pump it on. And then the one that my brother's wife been waiting on, I had to do this last to her because she is right here helping me record. So I'm teasing her. This is a Natasha Denona. And this palette is, what is this palette? Green brown. So this is a green brown. And look at that. The Natasha Denona green brown palette. It has a lot of shimmers. I feel like this is all shimmers. So I'll put that gently down right there. That's nice. And that color was aluminum. And then let's see what else we're gonna go in. Antique olive. I want to go in with. That's really pretty. That is really pretty. Also, we'll go with bottle green. Oh my god, that was amazing. We're going with cool bronze. A little chunky right there, but it's okay. Let's see what else I want to touch. I'm going with moonstone, and this is umber, and then this is right here. And then I'm gonna try this last one. This one was moonstone. That right there. So those are really, really pretty, the shimmers. So those are really pretty. What I like about this packaging was the big mirror they gave you. That's really super nice. And then you have this little page that protects the eyeshadows, but also tells you like each name of it. So that's like really, really nice. But we'll be honest, the white scares me. It's gonna get dirty. That's the only thing about it. It will get dirty, but besides that, it's a really, really nice palette. Oh, and what's super cute about the back of this, the very, very bottom right here, it shows you the names of each eyeshadow, which is super, super nice. So I like that. Besides that, that's the end of my unboxing and swatches. So I hope you guys like this video. Please comment on anything you guys would like to see. What palette you would like me to use, or what foundation, or what primer. So please comment below. So go like, subscribe, and comment. Got that? Bye.